Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Miss Chelsea, and today we are going to study subject mathematics 4th standard 2nd. Okay, students? So, students, can you tell me in our last lecture what we studied? तो बच्चों, क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने क्या पढ़ा? Yes, हमने पढ़ा let's reduce by subtraction. Right, students? Yes. So in last video, we saw the first part of that lesson. Right? And in today's video, we will see the second part of that lesson. Okay? So you can open page number 56. Okay? You can refer this book. Open page number 56, question number 3. Okay, students? So before that, we are going to revise what we saw in our last lecture. Let us revise it. So students, can you tell me in our last lecture what we studied? Yes, we studied how to subtract by counting backward on the number line. Right? So let us revise one example of that. Okay, students? So before that, let us write the name of the lesson on the blackboard, and that is let's reduce by subtraction. So student, now first let us write what we have to subtract from what. So before that, we will draw number line on a blackboard. Let us draw it. We will draw number line from 1 to 12. Okay, students, let us draw. So I have drawn the number line from 1 to 13. So student, our question is 11 minus 9. तो बच्चों, हमारा क्वेश्चन है 11 minus 9. But students, we have to count, मतलब हमें subtract करना होगा. That is, subtract by counting बैकवर्ड, मतलब हमें यहां से यहां काउंट करना होगा. सो हाउ वी विल काउंट? यस, सो लेट अस काउंट 11 minus 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So students, 11 minus 9 is 2. Right? 11 minus 9 is 2. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. तो बच्चों, हमारा आंसर है 2. So here we saw how to subtract by counting backward on the number line. Right, students? Yes. So now we will see one more more example like this, and then we are going to start with our actual question number 3rd, and that is subtract the following by counting forward on the number line. Okay? So let us see one more example like this. Twelve minus 8. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हमें अभी 12 माइनस 8 करना है, इसलिए हम यहां से काउंट करना शुरू करेंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So students, our final answer is 4, right? So 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Okay students? Yes. So students, now we will see the next question, that is subtract the following by counting forward on the number line. So now we saw how to subtract by counting backward. Right? So now we are going to see how to subtract by counting forward. Okay? So let us start with the question number 3. Let's start. So students, let us start with our question number 3, and that is subtract the following by counting forward on the number line. So let us solve it. So first of all, we are going to draw a number line from 1 to 14. तो जैसे कि बच्चों आप देख रहे हैं बैकबोर्ड पर मैंने नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ की है और वो है 0 से लेकर 14 तक. सो नाउ वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट बाय काउंटिंग फॉरवर्ड. हमें यहां से यहां काउंट करना है. सो लेट अस सी सम एग्जांपल. लेट अस टेक 12 माइनस 7. तो बच्चों अब हम यहां से लेकर यहां तक सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन इज you have to subtract by counting forward. हमें यहां से यहां subtract करना होगा, ना कि यहां से यहां. So students, tell me, बच्चों हमें 12 से 7 को subtract करना है, right? Means we have to subtract 7 from 12. Okay? So let us start from point 7. Okay? So we are going to take jump step by step and reach the number 12. And बच्चों अब हम जंप करेंगे 7 नंबर से 12 नंबर तक, और जितने भी जंप्स आएंगे वो होगा हमारा आंसर. लेट अस सी. 7 to 8 1 जंप, 8 to 9 दूसरा जंप, 9 to 10 तीसरा जंप, 10 to 11 चौथा जंप, और 11 to 12 इज 5th जंप. तो बच्चों हमारा आंसर क्या है? 5. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Understood? So students, let me explain you one more time. From both the numbers, 7 is the smallest number. So we have to start from number 7 and we have to reach number 7 to number 12. हमें 7 से लेकर 12 नंबर तक रीच करना है, और जाते जाते जितने भी जर्म्स आएंगे वो होगा हमारा आंसर. सो वी हैव 5 जर्म्स फ्रॉम नंबर 7 to 12. Also 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Okay student, now let us see some more example like these. Okay. So student, now we have to subtract number 4 from number 10. Okay? अभी हमें subtract करना है नंबर 4 नंबर 10 से. So student, let us start solving it. Yes, keep in mind we have to start subtracting from year to year. Okay? Not from this way. We have to subtract from this way. So students, tell me which is the smallest number from here? 4 is the smallest number, right? So now we are at the smallest number. Now we have to reach number 10. Okay? तो बच्चों अभी हमें 4 से लेकर 10 नंबर तक पहुंचना है. तो बच्चों इसके लिए हमें जंप करना होगा. बराबर. अब 4 से लेकर 10 तक जितने भी जंप्स आएंगे वो होगा हमारा आंसर. लेट अस सी. 1 जंप, 2 जंप, 3 जंप, 4, 5 जंप, 6 जंप. तो बच्चों 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Okay? So how many jumps we took? We took 6 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Okay students? Yes. So now let us see the last example of these. Okay? Nine minus 4. ओके? तो बच्चों अब इन दोनों में से छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? 4. हम 4 से शुरू करेंगे और 4 से कहां तक जाएंगे? 9 नंबर तक. और जितने भी हम जंप्स लेंगे वो होगा हमारा फाइनल आंसर. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. 1 जंप, 2 jump, 3rd jump, 4th jump, 5th jump. So from number 4 to 9, we took 5 jumps, right? So student, our final answer is 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Understood the connection? Yes. So now let us see the last question, that is, carry out the following subtraction. Student, now let us solve the last question और वो है carry out the following subtraction. तो बच्चों हम क्वेश्चन बोर्ड पर लिख देते हैं carry out following subtraction. Okay students, So students, now we are going to solve some examples of subtraction. Let us solve it. 12 minus 8, 15 minus 10, 13 minus 11, 39 minus 3. Okay? So for now, let us solve these 4 examples of subtraction. So students, who will tell me the answer of first question, that is 12 minus 8? कौन मुझे बताएगा 12 minus 8 इसका जवाब? यस, 12 में से 8 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. आंसर क्या आएगा? If you find difficulty in doing this, let us draw 12 balls. ओके, मैंने ब्लैक बोर्ड पर 12 बॉल्स ड्रॉ की हुई है और इन 12 बॉल्स में से अब हम 8 बॉल्स को निकालेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 और 8. तो बच्चों, अब मुझे बताओ कितने बॉल्स बच गए? सिर्फ 4 बॉल्स बच गए. बराबर 12 बॉल्स में से हमने 8 बॉल्स को कट कर दिया, बच गए 4 बॉल्स. इसका मतलब 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Understood? Students, now who will tell me what is 15 minus 10? बताओ बताओ, what is 15 minus 10? Who will tell me? 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Right students? 15 में से 10 को माइनस करो. जवाब क्या आएगा? जवाब आएगा 5. सो हमारा आंसर है 5. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? यस. So now let us solve the third sum, and that is 13 minus 11. So students, who will tell me what is 13 minus 11? 13 में से 11 को माइनस करो. कितने बचेंगे? 2. बराबर 13 minus 11 is equal to 2. Okay students? Okay बच्चों? Yes. So now we are going to solve a last sum, and that is 39 minus 3. अभी हमें 39 से 3 को माइनस करना है. तो बच्चों, ये थोड़ा बड़ा नंबर है. बराबर. तो बच्चों, if you find difficulty in subtracting like this, we will subtract in this way. 39 minus 3. 9 में से 3 को माइनस करो. यस, जवाब आएगा 6. बराबर 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So students, इस 3 नंबर के नीचे और कोई नंबर नहीं है, तो हमारा 3 ऐसे ही नीचे आएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? सो 39 minus 3 is equal to 36. ओके? 39 minus 3, इसका जवाब आएगा 36. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? यस. So students, remaining sums you have to solve for your homework. Okay? Yes. So students, in today's video, we saw how to subtract by counting forward on the number line. बच्चों, हमने सीखा फॉरवर्ड से सब्ट्रैक्ट कैसे करते हैं और लास्ट वीडियो में हमने देखा यहां से लेकर सब्ट्रैक्ट कैसे करते हैं और इस वीडियो में हमने देखा यहां से लेकर सब्ट्रैक्ट कैसे करते हैं. बराबर. In today's video we saw how to subtract from here towards here, and the last lecture we saw how to subtract from here towards here. So students, for your homework you have to solve page number 56 and 57. Okay? Question number 3 and 4 you have to solve for your homework. Also activity you have to solve for your homework. Okay? The activity is very easy. The numbers are given in the activity. You just have to draw the balls and minus it. Okay? Yes. So students, we will meet in the next lecture with our new lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye students. Thank you.